Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn Learning course list to plan your growth step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Learning tab at the top of the page. You will now see a grid of available courses. To access your course list, click on My Learning from the drop-down menu. This section displays all the courses you have started or completed. To download your course list, scroll to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find a link that says Download your learning history. Click on this link to initiate the download process. A pop-up window will appear, confirming your download request. Choose your preferred file format, either PDF or CSV. After selecting the format, click Download. The file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to view your course list. You can now use this information to plan your growth and professional development. Consider organizing the courses based on your career goals. Highlight the skills you wish to focus on in the coming months. This will help you create a structured learning path tailored to your needs. Review your list regularly to track your progress and make adjustments as necessary. That's it. You now have a comprehensive course list to guide your growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.